Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today at Into Hydraulics, I got to make several hoses for a drilling rig. They want a whole new setup. You can tell where these are, I mean, look at them. They're real, they're real bad and they need to be replaced. So I'm fixing to make some new hoses. All right. All right, guys, so this is going to be a 4-wire hose, and you can tell by the wrapping. You know, if it was 2-wire, it'd be crisscross. So, and I'm going to stretch this out as far as, get a good length on it and mark it up. All right, guys, I got that blue out, so now I'm gonna put the fittings on. Oh yeah. All right, there's one.